Hey everyone, welcome back to our tutorial series. Today, we're tackling a fundamental skill that's a game changer for your presentations. How to add bullet points in PowerPoint for 2025. Whether you're a student preparing a project, a professional building a pitch, or just someone looking to spruce up their slides, bullet points help organize information clearly and keep your audience engaged. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have PowerPoint open. If you're starting from scratch, create a new presentation and add a slide. Now, select the text box where you want your bullet points. If there isn't one, go to the Insert tab, click on Text Box, and draw one on your slide. Once your text box is ready, head over to the Home tab at the top of the screen. That's where most of the formatting magic happens. Look for the Paragraph section. You'll see a button that looks like a bulleted list. Click on it, and voila! Your text box will now have bullet points ready to go. Start typing your first point, hit enter for the next one, and keep going until you've listed everything you need. But wait, there's more. PowerPoint in 2025 offers some cool customization options. Right-click on a bullet point to change its style. Maybe switch to numbers, letters, or even pictures for a unique touch. This is perfect for making your slides stand out. Pro tip: use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+L on Windows to quickly add bullets, saving you time during edits. One common issue is inconsistent formatting, so always check that your bullets align properly and match your theme. If you're working on a collaborative project, ensure everyone uses the same version of PowerPoint to avoid compatibility problems. And there you have it. Adding bullet points in PowerPoint is straightforward and incredibly useful. Practice this on your next presentation, and you'll see how it elevates your content. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.